G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. And the time is 9 to 10 in the morning. Now before I go down to the... before I go down to the beach to do my video, I was hoping to catch these redbirds having a good feed. Now I'm going to pick this camera up and try to get this magpie off their food. I gave them bread. You can see it's a little bit windy down the lake at the moment too, which is good. Now let's see if I can get close enough to annoy this magpie. Come on, off there, magpie. Come on. Come on, off. Come on. Come on. Oi, I gave you bread. Off. Come on. That's a good magpie. You stay off. Now, I'm hoping that this red one will come back. Oh, yep, here he comes. Come on, and you go back to there. That's it. You've got this buddy coming in. Oh, wow. These two look beautiful. Now I do hope you like this video, so please subscribe. Now I've got the magpie there, he's down there eating some bread at the moment. Even though it's been a little bit windy, it's been quite warm, like it's about 11-12 degrees and it feels quite warm sometimes if you're in the sun. Now, I don't know if these two are the partners or not. One's male and one's female. But it's very hard to try to spot them apart. Because look at the colours. Oh, we've got a pigeon down the bottom here too. Zoom out. There it is. Oh wow, look. It's got some nice colours on that one. That's zoomed in halfway. Oh, what that do its thing, and I'll zoom these two in halfway. Now this is one's fully zoomed out. Now we'll just zoom in halfway. Probably start chopping birds' heads off and stuff like that. That's zoomed in halfway. So you can't quite catch her. Everything, why that one fly away? What did you see? I think it's had enough to eat. He's seeing something. The only thing I heard was a depressed crow. I'll zoom this in so I can get a good shot of it. Flies away, flies away. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Just under halfway because I want to get a good shot. Keep an eye on the other one, see if he's going to come down or not again. And they're anxious about something in the air. Okay, he's flown off. Ah, alright. My name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.